Welcome to our educational video on the preliminary University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index for forex traders. The preliminary UoM Consumer Sentiment Index measures the level of confidence and optimism among consumers regarding the economy. This index reflects consumers' perceptions of their financial situation, employment prospects, and overall economic conditions. For forex traders, the preliminary UoM Consumer Sentiment Index is crucial, as consumer sentiment can influence spending behavior, which drives economic growth. A higher-than-expected consumer sentiment index reading indicates increased confidence among consumers, which may lead to higher consumer spending and economic expansion. This positive sentiment may strengthen the domestic currency as investors anticipate robust economic growth. Conversely, a lower-than-expected index reading may signal decreased consumer confidence, leading to lower spending and potential economic contraction. In summary, understanding the preliminary UoM Consumer Sentiment Index and its implications for consumer spending and economic growth is essential for forex trading decisions.